Sportsbet's new feed is powered by actual intelligence, like Greg here. He's from the future.
Actually, I'm from Werribee.
Close enough. Unlike a robot, he can select all the bicycles in this photo.
Bicycle,
Try again, chiphead. And he shares his bets on the feed, so you can copy real bets from real people. Sportsbet's new feed, powered by actual intelligence.
What are you really gambling with? For free and confidential support, call the number on the screen or visit the website.
Enjoy the next 30 minutes of uninterrupted listening.